So Welsh Water, they've got a small number of customers who unfortunately continue to face repeat problems with their water and their water waste service. Depending on where they live, these problems could be things like low water pressure, discoloured water, or even sewer flooding. And these problems, sometimes they can be really expensive to put right. So Welsh Water plan on targeting their investment in order to help these customers so that everyone in Wales gets that good level of service. Now it's time to meet the two dies. Right then, West Wales. So what's so important about the zonal studies?
Well, this is the way we're going to plan our investment for many, many years to come. In Wales, we have lots of problems with old pipes in the ground, many years old, many thousands of kilometres of unlined old iron mains, which can cause discoloration when we have flow disturbances in them.
And what about the zonal studies that is being done in Llechryd, this area?
Over the years, they've had problems with discoloration, with taste and odour in the water, but also in particularly over the last few years, we had a burst on our trunk main feed in the area, and that caused a lot of disruption to our customers, and they lost supply for quite a while.
Di, you work on the other side of the project, which is just as important.
And I was the project manager that ran all the renewals, basically renewing 26 kilometres in the Llechryd water quality zone, and that sort of comprised of about 13 individual schemes ranging from, in terms of area, from Llandyssil, Newcastle and right the way over to Llechryd. The whole of Wales is broken down to a number of water quality zones, and they're monitored regularly depending on the number of complaints, depending on what the complaints are. You actually end up with a sort of league table where all these zones are ranked from worst performing to best performing, and then the investment is channeled in then to the worst performing zones, and hopefully then after the work's been completed, the customer will see a huge benefit both in water quality and in security of supply, less disruptions.
So if you are watching this and you have repeat problems with your water supply, or maybe you'd like to see an improvement in the quality of water service that you get in your area, then you know exactly what to do by now. For one last time, let them know by clicking on the link under the video and take part in this super quick consultation. It'll take you less than 4 minutes, and if you do that, I promise I won't ask again. Make sure you take part because your opinion really does count.